Well, today's recipe looks and tastes like it was made in a restaurant, but it's actually easy enough to whip up anytime. Howard shows us how to make dining room chicken in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
When I first started working for a caterer when I was in high school, my job was to roast chickens on these huge trays. I mean, there were hundreds. Then I would slather them with a fruity glaze. That was the first time that I ever had fruit with chicken, or really with any meat. And you know what? It was amazing. So let me share with you a recipe that was inspired by that dish. We start by seasoning some quarter chicken with a bit of salt and pepper. Then into a roasting pan they go, and we rub them with a mixture of brown sugar and mustard. Now we cover it and pop it into the oven. While that's roasting, we combine some cranberry sauce with a bit more brown sugar, a bit of cornstarch, and some canned apricots that we've chopped along with some of the syrup. Now we spoon the fruity sauce over the par-baked chicken, and back into the oven it goes. Just making this, and I'm getting a flashback to my catering days. Once it's done, spoon the pan drippings over it and fancy it up with more chopped apricots. Between the roasted chicken, which is super juicy, and the cranberry apricot glaze, this is one lip-smacking dish that can be kitchen casual or dining room fancy. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for what we call dining room chicken, so you can savor all the goodness that's perfect for Christmas or any time of year. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a festive way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.